Hi guys, welcome to the Jeff Jenkins Let's Set the House on Fire Guitar Evaluation Show. Today, actually, April 22nd, a friend of mine, great friend, he's, anyway, he was, somebody lent him his guitar, gave it to him. I don't know what it is, where it is. It's called a Raven. The only thing it says on it is made in Japan, no serial number. So I guess I can steal it off my good friend. No. But, so it was buzzing like a busybody, and I just took these off and blew them out. Did the best I can. I mean, I didn't have much pressure, to blow it out with. It was like, I gotta quit smoking. And I dusted it off as best I can, and I kinda got rid of some of it. I don't know. Okay, let me start. I'll start cleaning first. Well, that's how it's buzzing right there. Oh, that's dirty, sorry. Alright, it's clean. This should be. There's a tone. Pretty nice, actually. Oh, yeah. That's out, so. But, really, okay, now it's gonna buzz like a cock cigarette. But, no, it's got some, no frets or buzzing or anything of that nature. So, no, that's if I can screw it up. Count on me for that. Sorry, folks. But yeah, I get real. But the one pickup's kind of missing. But. Anyway, don't know what it is, but I didn't touch anything other than that, the intonation, so pick one up for your kid for $50 or $100, I'd strongly suggest it. Anyway, just it doesn't have to. Everything doesn't have to be. Oh, no name keys. Nothing on there. Nothing. No identification defined. Anyway, it doesn't have to be a gibson or a Fender or anything like that. To be enjoyable, ladies and gentlemen. Pass it on to your kids, and thanks for tuning in.